guys. Oh, what a clean room. Look at that plate. Duck and chicken wings. I don't think you've ever had duck, Boo. Ruby looks so excited. They're like, hurry up, Dad, just do it already. First, let's give a guess. Who's gonna attack it? I think, from what I remember, Wooyu goes crazy over food. So I think she's going to be the one to attack it. But Boo, on the other hand, if she was in the room, I don't think she would. Like, she would be interested, but she's very slow and skeptical about it. Where Bungie, she would go all in and just attack basically the whole entire thing. Where Boo likes to go a little bit slower. Right, Boo? I love how they're in sync with their heads turning. Okay, so you close the door. Wooyu's laying down, being a good girl. Mocha's contemplating. I feel like Bungie would be a little territorial for this, especially since it's like chicken wings and duck with like the drizzled cheese. Oh, they're so patient, waiting. There's no way Bungie could do this. Oh, they did such a good job. Did they do such a good job, Boo? Could you do that? I don't know if she could do that. Oh, Mocha's trying it. He got closer. Mocha's growls are like dangerous, but at the same time really cute. It's like feisty, you know? Feisty cute. And Wooyu's just so sweet. Oh my gosh. She took a wing before Mocha. She's like, I don't care. I waited long enough. I deserve this. Oh my gosh. That surprised me that Mocha didn't go in first. Ooh, the ASMR. Ooh, you went in for another one. What's the crunchy sound I'm hearing? We got caught and grabbed another one right in front of him. Boo, can you believe that? Can you believe Wooyu did that? She's like, I don't care. I deserve this. This is my YouTube channel. Aw, Mocha did such a good job. He deserves it. There's no way Boo and Bungie could do this. Maybe we should try it. Let us know in the comments below if we should try this. Oh. She's like, I just couldn't help it. Right? You just couldn't help it. Oh, she burps. So Boo burps all the time. We're trying to make a compilation video of all her burps. It's so funny because it sounds like a little human. She's like, I'll just grab my own cheese. Oh, so sweet. She's like, don't take my wing. That was such a great video, guys. What did you think, Boo? Was that a good video? Oh, you must be hungry now. You probably want some dinner. Good girl, you deserve that turkey. I hope you guys enjoyed another reaction video of Mocha Milk. If you did, make sure to like it and subscribe. And also follow our Instagram. We'll see you in another one. Bye!